Hey there, it's Dr. Jason Menges with Healthbridge Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. I just wanted to give you a little heads up on the guy that you're about to hear from. Sean busted into the office, and when you see him in a minute, you'll understand his personality. You'll know why I say that. But he busted into the office one day when I was not even open. I was the only one there, and it was one of those embarrassing moments where, you know, the doctor, I forget what I was doing, but I was like painting or putting up molding in the office or just doing, I forget exactly what I was doing, but I was doing something. But anyway, kind of busted in, you know, wanted to be seen, and I had to explain, you know, we're not open and yada, yada, yada. But he ended up coming back. He's a super guy, been a patient of mine for a long time, and I hope you enjoy his story. Talk to you guys soon. See ya.
Back in 1996, I was wrestling with some nephews, and I had a sharp pain, like someone stabbed me in the neck with a sword, and was laid up for a couple of weeks, and my mother suggested I go to a chiropractor. So I did, and they gave me several adjustments. It got me straightened out, and I've been going to chiropractors ever since. In that time, I've gone to chiropractors up and down the East Coast, from Florida to Maine. I had a job where I traveled, staying in odd hotels, ended up sleeping on odd beds. I woke up with a lot of pain a lot of times, and basically been to a lot of chiropractors, and they all had one thing in common. They treated the symptoms. They treated whatever pain I was having. And I happened to find Dr. Menges by a television commercial and saw him one day and came in. And one thing that I noticed that's different about Dr. Menges is he actually treats the cause. And some of the things that he's done with me is the spinal rejuvenation table, which has actually reestablished the curve in my neck. And I might only have to come to the chiropractor once every 2 or 3 months, whereas it used to be 2 to 3 times per week. I highly recommend Dr. Menges over any chiropractor I've ever been to. I did adjustments for a while. When he got the SRT, I started getting with the spinal rejuvenation table, and that seems to have fixed me.
Nice. And how often you come there?
Maybe once every 2 or 3 months. The one thing that I do is basically anybody that ever mentions any type of neck or back pain, I send them to Dr. Menges right away. I strongly suggest that you look into chiropractic, because my primary care, their answer to neck pain is narcotics. And narcotics has never worked for me. I can't see them working for anybody else.